In the playground where laughter began, you and I side by side, building castles in the sand. From the first day we met, a friendship so pure, little did we know it would endure. Through the highs and lows, we stood hand in hand, growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the feelings grew, from friends to lovers, me and you. From playground pals to something more, our hearts collided, love knocking at the door. Through the years of friendship, a flame did ignite. Now we dance together in love's sweet light. Remember the days of secrets we'd share, in the treehouse dreaming without a care. Through teenage troubles and endless talks, our connection deepened like sidewalk chalk. Through the highs and lows, we stood hand in hand, growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the feelings grew, from friends to